everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some tassels, and you only need 3 materials: nail polish, string, and scissors. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. First you want to take your string, so you want to wrap it around, so you want to take about just a little, and make sure to spread your fingers apart like this, so then when you do the tassel, it's actually much bigger, and also so then it doesn't get stuck on your hands. So you want to ravel around the little string like this, not too many times, but not still less times that you don't almost have even a tassel. So let's see, maybe about this much, and then you're going to cut it off. And then you're going to cut off a separate piece, the same exact color, and we're going to just cut that up too. And when you have that separate piece, then you want to take this piece off, and you want to tie this piece right here, the smaller piece, and you want to tie it to the top of the ravel that you made. And I'm just going to double knot it, but you can triple knot it, quadruple knot it, or whatever you want. It's up to you. So after you double knot it, you want to take your little tassel thing. It's going to become a tassel in just a few seconds, and you just want to cut off the bottom, so then it can actually create the tassel. So then you're going to just lay it out just to make it look good, and then you're going to give this a haircut because it's looking rough. Alright, so once you give this a haircut, then you can just put aside your string, and you can take a little bit of your yellow string. I'm just using yellow. You can actually use whatever color you would like. You would just take about this much, maybe. Put that aside, and then with this yellow piece, you can wrap it around the top. This might take a little bit of time to get the hang of trying to wrap it around. It actually took me quite a while. So you just want to make sure it's flat, so then it's not crazy. And you want to leave sort of an edge, so then you can see what we're going to do later. So then you're going to start raveling the little string, not the fabric, the string around the top of the tassel. So then it can start looking like a tassel. So then I've cut into about that much, and you're going to cut it about the length of the extra piece that you have right here, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do with that extra piece. Well, but before that, your ends might be just a little tucked in, so you can just tuck it out like this, so then it doesn't look so tucked in. And then you're going to take the tassel ends, you're going to tie them together. I'm obviously just double knotting this like I did for the beginning, just like this. And then you're going to cut it off, so then it's pretty short, like this much. And you're going to set the other end aside. Then time to come for your nail polish. Make sure to shake it, if not it's going to apply really chunky, and it's not going to be very good. So you don't actually need much, but this nail polish is just to seal the ends, so then the little ends, they're so little that the knot can come undone. You just want to add just a little nail polish. You can use any type of nail polish, but I didn't have any clear, so I'm using clear glitter. Actually gives it a nice touch. So then you're going to wait for that to dry. Alright, so this is what our finished tassel looked like. It's actually pretty cute. I really enjoy it and how it looks. So yeah, I can show you some of the other options that you can make for a tassel too. So the first one I actually ever made was this yellow one. It's really cute. It's just really yellow. And obviously I did the nail polish technique. There's these ends, by the way, that you can just tie together like this. Then the second one that I ever made was this green one. I think it looks really cute and full. It's really nice, and I also tied on the end, and you can tie this end onto like a backpack, a purse, or a wallet, or pretty much anything. And then the third one that I made was this one. It's really pretty, but it's really simple, which I really like because, yeah. I did also the nail polish technique for all of these actually, and then I made this one. This one is really cool because it kind of looks like a sun, which I actually really like. And then last but not least, this one I just recently made right before this one that we just made. Is this one. It has gold beads and it's like pink and purple. It's pink and orange. And I actually did one like this that's purple and pink. I showed you before. I think it's really nice. And I have glitter nail polish all over the front that I made, that I wrapped around it, like with the nail polish, and it's actually making it really hard and secure. So that's what this one looks like. So yeah, this is how you make a tassel, and it's actually pretty easy if you just follow these steps. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah, bye!